Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anjum Rashid and today I will discuss childhood sleeping problems and solutions. Babies and children differ in the amount of sleep they need and parents vary in how they tolerate their child waking at the night. Now, in most cases, sleeping difficulties are really just habits that have developed through lack of clear bedtime routine. Then, difficulty sleeping may also reflect conflict in the family or anxieties, for example, about starting school. Now, 5 common sleeping problems include number 1, refusal to sleep at night. This may develop if babies are put to bed once they are asleep. Number 2, walking during night. This often causes a lot of stress as the parents get exhausted. Number 3, sleeping in parents' bed. This habit is difficult to break later. Number 4, nightmares. Child wakes as a result of a bad dream, quickly become lucid and can usually remember the content. This may reflect stresses. And number 5, night terrors. It occurs in preschool years and child wakes up confused, disoriented and frightened and may not recognize parents. Now, night terrors take several minutes to become oriented, and the dream content cannot be recalled. These episodes are short lived. Now, I will discuss how to manage a sleeping problem in your child, and here are 10 tips you should follow. Number 1, have a set bedtime and bedtime routine for your child. Number 2, bedtime and wake up time should be about the same time on school nights and non school nights. Number 3, make the hour before bed shared quiet time. Avoid high energy activities such as rough play, watching TV, or playing computer games. Number 4, don't send your child to bed hungry. A light snack such as milk and cookies before bed is a good idea. Heavy meals within 1 to 2 hours of bedtime may interfere with the sleep of your child. Number 5, avoid products containing caffeine for at least several hours before the bedtime. These include caffeinated sodas, coffee, tea, and chocolate. Number 6, make sure your child spends times outside every day, whenever possible, and is involved in regular exercise. Number 7, keep your child's bedroom quiet and dark. A low-level night light can be used if a child is frightened of completely dark room. Number 8, keep your child's bedroom at a comfortable temperature during the night. Then number 9, don't use your child's bedroom for timeout or his or her punishment. Number 10, keep the television set out of your child's bedroom. Okay, dear parents, if you follow these 10 tips, your child will have a healthy sleep at night. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more new health related videos.